I'm Andrew Chipka. I've been trading for 8 years. For the past 3 years, I've been consistently profitable.
Yeah, so my name is Danny Lee, and I've been trading for about 8 years now.
My name is Daniel, and I've been trading for about 3 years now.
Thomas Check. I've been trading for a couple of years. Been with Clover now for a couple of years.
For the past 3 years, I've been consistently profitable. So since I started, made over 200K.
I am a profitable trader, yes. My journey was my first year, I lost like 10K. And then the second year, I made it back. And then the third year, I made another 10K. So that's when I was like starting to get profitable. When the COVID market happened, that's when my account went, fairly exponential.
I am profitable, but I'm definitely still doing stuff wrong because I feel like if I actually get it, then I think my profit curve should probably go up faster than my current rate. So yeah.
It's not my first conference, but I would say it is my best conference actually, because I went to the Sykes conferences and they were very good. Honestly, especially for networking, like any conference, any trading conference is really good. Just meeting people on your level, people above your level too is important. Yeah.
This is my first conference, my first boot camp.
Yeah, first conference.
It was getting more advanced information. A lot of conferences are very beginner focused, and I really appreciated that there were so many traders that were on that next level, 6 figures, 7-figure traders, and just being able to actually communicate with those traders one-on-one, like especially the networking session, like the cocktail hour, or just walking up and just talking in person. It's so valuable because obviously you are the average of the people you spend the most time around, and being at a conference is like a way to put yourself around those types of people.
Yeah, I feel like I really learned a lot in terms of like psychology. I don't want to say flaws, but just like short-sightedness in some of the way that I was trading. I think that is a real eye-opener, and it's different from like seeing it from like a YouTube video versus seeing it up front. And like the mentor is actually explaining it to you in ways that are tailored to you. I think that is really helpful.
It's really good. I mean, I feel like I made my money worth on the first day because a lot of the stuff that I learned, it's so much easier to learn like face to face when the mentor is like up there and just talking about it. I feel like I get it more, and also the networking part is very important.
From a trading perspective, I think that they'll always give you what they're doing, but you won't really feel what they're doing. The passion, the intensity, you really get a sense of the hard work that they put in behind the scenes. And when you network with those people live, you experience that. I just hope that you continue to offer this in the future. If it's my last couple $1,000s I have to spend, this would be the place to spend it.
Because it's my first conference, I don't really have much to compare it to. I did feel like in the beginning, because you don't really know a lot of people, it was a little bit kind of harder to be comfortable asking a lot of questions. But then when I saw, specifically Kyle, the way he would kind of go over and beyond with his explanations, I felt that was really my signal to like go in and just ask as many questions as I can and really try to, improve my trading. Hopefully the electricity and plumbing doesn't get broken on the first day. Yeah, I think that was a little bit surprising.
Only thing is that I would request that for the next one there would be coffee at the tables, because I need that. Yeah, 100%. That's for me at least, that's like one of the only ways I was able to get to the next level and start being profitable, and then becoming consistently profitable too, because you learn your blind spots, you learn new strategies too. Like there's so much that I learned that I didn't know before that will for sure help the strategies that I currently implement, like small tweaks, small refinements, but that information is just super critical.
I would, but probably not during the super early phase. Like I think the ideal way is to attend a bootcamp like this a year or two after you have traded, because I feel like you do need some knowledge and some tries before you understand and actually get the value of all the mentors talking about. So
a new trader, this would be the best experience for anyone to open their eyes as to what you need to get accomplished before you start working on the things that you're just right now randomly trying, because now you're developing bad habits, and you may be a little bit successful in those bad habits and think that that's the right way, but in the long term, you'll realize that you can't sustain, and you need to network with people here live, to talk to people, to see the nuance of that, to understand what their journey has been, and they'll be more than willing to share that with you live than you'd get that online.